everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add a credit card to skip the dishes. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your particular skip the dishes app on your mobile phone. So once you have done so, you're simply gonna find this kind of option. So you're gonna choose a food for your cuisine. Once you have chosen that particular food that you would like to order, in the checkout section you're gonna go ahead, check out, choose your item, your quantity, and in the checkout section you're going to find this option of a payment. Once you tap on the payment, it will let you have in the payment method section, it will let you have two options, which includes a credit card and the cash. Now here in the section, you're going to tap on, go to section of credit card and tap on this use new card. Now once you have tapped on this plus icon, you will be able to find another interface which is gonna look like this, where you have to enter your credit card number, your month, year, and CVV number of it, and tap on this save credit card for future use. If you do not tap on it, the payment will be done, but the next time you access, you won't find the card's information. So make sure to tap on it, so the next time you go to the payment method before checking out, you will be able to pay with it. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.